Okay, welcome back. Continuing with unit 305. Okay. Alright. And I'm just get this into frame, make sure we can get it in line. And what we're looking at session 17, wiring systems, installing components. Okay. And this is where we're at. Okay. State the method used to install wiring accessories. Have an understanding of the of IP codes. An IP code is not anything to do with your internet provider. Okay. Here we are. Okay. And installing accessories. I'm just going to bring that closer to you now. You can read it for yourselves and you can understand this concept behind it. So make sure we can get all the data in place for you to see. Sorry. Okay. Let's come back. Okay. Good. Now adjust the lugs and so forth. Right. So here is the link that they're talking about. You're bonding your adjustable lugs. Here is one here, one here. So what you're doing is that you're bringing down your earth, connected to the back of your box, and you're connecting it to your switch as well. That is to ensure that any moisture on an individual's hand does not cause an electric shock within that switching system. Okay, it takes it directly down to ground. Safety, safety, safety. Okay. Okay. And recessed lighting. Okay. All it's showing you here is how it is fitted. And you can see that behind it there's a foam filling whatever within that system, and the insert of the light is inserted, so it sits flush to the ceiling. Okay. And now you never ever do this. Never ever wire anything like this with tape. It must be properly terminated, a box put into its place, and if the cable is damaged, then the complete cable should be replaced. Do not patch. Never ever patch. Okay? It's not a car. Someone's life will depend on it. Safety, safety, safety every time. You must comply with the IEE regs and on-site guide. Okay. IP codes. Now it is up to you to look at the IP codes index, and you'll find that I've given you a lot of information on the IP codes in one of my videos. I think that's in Electrical Principles, but it's in look in the playlist. Okay, you simply need to work it through yourselves, all right, and find it. And again, here we are, the IP codes. Okay, telling you what. Now IP65 nowadays is a good standard to have, or to be working with. I dare say in due course that standard could even increase or decrease as the circumstances dictates. Now here you have IP65, so with IP65 you have protection against all dust and protection against water jets, okay, which gives you very good protection. Okay, so you can use this as an outside lighting overall, and that is only an example. Okay, it is only an example. You will need to determine what IP coding you will need to apply for the lighting that you are installing, and that is your job, no one else's. And here are additional lettering. Okay, excuse me. And again, you can read it for yourself. It gives you simple examples. Okay. Okay. Let's pan back. Okay, good. Finger test now. This finger test is only to ensure that what they do finger tests in regards to the space between certain vents or access to components, and it is to ensure that a person cannot get their finger trapped in those devices or in a crevice. Okay. Okay. And that's the finger test. Multiple choice questions, okay? Multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions, and you should get the multiple choice questions done, okay? This is in your interest. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.